Welcome you all students, come back to our next video. In previous class we have learnt about the measurement of time, measurement of temperature, approximation and average. In today's class we are going to recall about the whole topic of the unitary measurement. Before that we learned some new words. First word is measurement. MEASUREMENT, measurement. Physical quantity. PHYSICAL, physical quantity. QUANTITY, quantity, physical quantity. Oscillation. OSCILLATIONS, oscillations. Standard weights. STANDARD, standard weights. WEIGHTS, weights, standard weights. Temperature. TEMPERATURE, temperature. Thermometers. THERMOMETERS, thermometers. In unitary measurement, the first topic we see about the physical quantities. Some of the physical quantities are length, mass, time, area and temperature. Second, we see about the units. Some of the units are traditional units, the FPS system, CGS system, KJ system and the metric system. In earlier days, we used the traditional units. First, we use the FPS system, which is commonly known as foot-pound system. In today's world, we are using the KGS system, which is commonly known as kilometer, gram and second system. Standard weights. This image is known as the standard weights. A standard weight is made of the metal and weighs a particular amount. The value of the weight is marked on the top surface. The heavier standard weights are made of iron and are in hexagonal shape. The lighter ones are made of the brass and are circular in shape. It is used to show the exact weight. Some of the precautions are involved in measuring the length. Some of them were: avoid using the ends of the scale, place the scale properly, and place your eye correctly. Indirect measurement of length. Some of the length can be measured in the indirect way, like measuring the diameter of your sphere, measuring the length of your curve, measuring the thickness of your coin. Measurement of mass. The mass measurement is used to calculate the correct measurement of the given object weight. So, here this image is the beam balance. In beam balance, one side we can place the object of mass like vegetables, fruits or anything etc. and other side with the standard weights. So when we place both things, it shows the exact weight. This is known as the measurement of mass. Next we are going to see about the measurement of time. In time there are two systems. One is 12-hour clock system and 24 hours clock system. First image is the 12 hours clock system. This is commonly used by us. After 12, it shows 1, 2, 3, 4. But in 24-hour clock system, after 12, it does not represent by 1. It is represented by 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on up to 24. So it is known as the 24 clock system and the first image is the 12-hour clock system. The 24 clock system is commonly used in the railway stations. Measurement of temperature. Have you all seen this image? Yes, we are familiar with it. This is the digital thermometer. This is used to measure the temperature of our body, and the normal temperature of the human body is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. And there are some of the thermometers like laboratory thermometer, and laboratory thermometer is also used to measure the temperature, but it used to measure temperature of the liquids like tea or coffee or something. It is used in the lab works. Next, we are going to see about the approximation. In everyday life, we often judge the magnitude of a physical quantity based on our experience without actual measurement. This is called approximation or estimation. Approximation means we can say the value as sum of the estimation but not as actual measurement. This is known as the approximation. Averages. Average is equal to sum of the values divided by number of the values. If we need to know the averages of a class students, so we need to sum the students and divide the students by the number of the present. So this is known as the average. Sum of the worksheet and your follow-up work is activity. Compare the 12 o'clock and 24 o'clock time and write 3 examples. For example, I given here, in 12 o'clock system it is 3 o'clock, which means in 24 o'clock system it is 15. Like this, you need to write any 3 examples which compare with the 12 o'clock and 24 o'clock time. Okay students, I hope that you are clear, understand about the unit 3 measurements, and this is the end of our measurement unit. Next, I see in the next video students. Thank you students.